Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you about this one, how to add the gold strip in between now. Okay, they got two methods. Okay, I teach you the simple one. So you can click on this tiles. Okay, let's say click inside. Okay, click on the tiles. Then you can go for here the model free mode, break processing. Click on slot. Okay, then you can see this one, this one embedded metal strip. Just take it, just give a line first. Here maybe you put one line. I'm gonna create one line here. You see one line. This one is vertical, so I'll put one line here, vertical. Okay, one line. See the one. Then this one you can open it. This one line will become metal strip. Okay, you can choose the metal strip. Then you can see in here, or you see metal. Okay, beside this method, okay, you also can use this method. Okay, you can just draw a rectangle, or draw a rectangle here. Okay, lovely. How much? Up to you. The size. Okay, then maybe this one I put 50 or 50 lah. Okay, here I move it here. Okay, then here you just put gold strip, GLOD. This one, something like this. Just drag to here. This one will become gold also. Okay, or you add this one also can, or just add only. See, new size. Oh no, Control Z. Okay, better you use this one, rectangle first. Okay, rectangle. Okay, this one also Logan, or you can just drag this one or this one. Okay, just use rectangle or the easier method. Okay, rectangle draw. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.